Hey everyone, today is Friday, October 30th, and remember today you have a new schedule. Okay, so we've changed the schedule around just for Fridays. Okay, so starting today, you have a 25-minute Google Meet in all your classes, and this includes virtual kids and in-person kids. So take a look here. Your first period classes runs from 9 to 9:25. Second period is from 9:30 to 9:55. Third period is from 10 o'clock to 10:25. Fourth period is 10:30 to 10:55. Fifth period is 11 o'clock to 11:25. Sixth period is 11:30 to 11:55. Seventh period is 12 o'clock to 12:25. Please remember this is only for Friday, okay? So if you are virtual, you will meet on Fridays from now on at 10 a.m., but on Tuesdays, you're still meeting at 11:15, okay? That's for virtual kids. All right, so anyway, I went ahead and I posted this video lesson just in case for some reason you missed the Google Meet today so you can get caught up, but I'm not going to post the assignment until it's time for your class. Okay, so all right, so here's what we're doing today. You have 10 minutes. Well, the people who are in class, you have 10 minutes to take this quiz. Obviously, if you missed class, this doesn't really apply to you, but you need to turn in the quiz as soon as you can. I'm using the quiz to make sure that you completed your assignment from Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so on Monday, I assigned, so I assigned this stuff on Monday and it was due Tuesday. Okay, so you were supposed to watch the Alvarez video, read the article. So over Julia Alvarez, it was like a little biography of her. And there was a very small paragraph review that you had to answer questions on as well. So as long as you watched the video and you read the article and review and answered the questions, you'll pass this, no problem. Okay. Now you only get one attempt because I want this, like I said, is making sure that you actually did your assignment. And so you won't actually be able to revise it. Okay. So anyway, when you're finished with this, okay, so when you click on this link, it takes you to the Google form. So you need to put your name, last name, your first name, last name, and class period, and then answer. There's 5 questions, okay? And it'll tell you if it's pulled from the video, article, or review. When you're done and you submitted it here in the Google form, you have to come back here and turn this in. If you don't turn it in Google Classroom, it will look like you didn't do it, okay? Anyway, so when you're finished with the quiz, I want you to update your PDS tracker, and that's the only other thing that we're doing today. So if you scroll up to the topic that says formatives and summatives to track, the first thing posted here is your PDSA tracker. Now you should have already have entered the information for formative 1 and 2, unless you just didn't do it, okay? But that was an assignment, so you should have already done this. If for some reason you didn't do that assignment, there's directions here in a 14-minute video that you can watch, and I'll explain how to do it. But I'm not going to go back over it because we've already went over it once, okay? So anyway, open up your tracker. If you already submitted it, just unsubmit it and then update the information and resubmit it, okay? But I want you to update it with the formative 3 and formative 4, okay? And again, they're labeled by brackets. So the 2s mean formative 2, 3 is formative 3, 4, formative 4, you get it. And the graded rubrics are right above it. So you'll see the PDSA tracker, graded rubric for formative 4, and then formative 4. Graded rubric for formative 3, formative 3. Graded rubric for formative 2, formative 2. Okay, so, and you'll go down to 1. So, like I said, you should have 1 and 2 already entered. Now you got to do 3 and 4. So be sure you're detailed in your answers, and when you're done, resubmit it, and you're good. That's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions.